Good morning to one and all class 12th. This is the fourth video of chapter Rat Trap from your book Flamingo, and I would like to tell you about that today we'll start your chapter from page number 36 here from here. The tramp did not say anything either. He had not come there to talk but only warm himself and sleep. In those days, the Ramsar iron mill was owned by a very prominent iron master whose greatest ambition was to ship out big iron to the market. He watched both night and day to see the work was done as well as possible, and at this very moment he came into forge on one of his nightly rounds of inspection. Naturally, the first thing he saw was the tall ragamuffin who had eased his way too close to the furnace. That steam rose from his wet rags, and the iron master did not follow the example of blacksmith, who had hardly dignant to look at the stranger, and he walked close up to him and looked him over very carefully, and then tore off his slouch hat to get a better view of his face. So, students, what was going on here? That those days, a very famous iron master whose greatest ambition was to provide good iron to the market was the owner of Ramjo Iron Mill, and he visited his mill to check if the work was going properly, and it was the time when he was in the forge for nightly inspection of the progress of the work here. So he just inspect all those things that workers are doing the work perfectly or not here, and these kinds of things were going on there. So what was here again? So naturally, the first person he saw in the forge was the ragged man, who was so close to the furnace that steam was coming out from his wet rags. And the iron master did not react as was done by blacksmith, who hardly took any you can say any pains to look at the stranger, and he reached him and watched him very carefully, and then removed his slouch hat so that he could recognize him better. So here, students, a slouch means a very soft hat. So because the head was made of the material which is very soft. But of course, it is you, Nils Olf. He said, how do you look? So वो उससे पूछता है, but who it can be other than you, Nils Olf? He exclaimed that he was looking very dirty. So how do look means उसका exclamation ये था कि तुम बहुत dirty लग रहे हो. The man with red traps had never before seen the iron master at Ramjo and did not even know what his name was. But it occurred to him that if the fine gentleman thought he was an old acquaintance, he might perhaps throw him a couple of nor, and therefore he did not want to undeceive him all at once. So here this man with red traps was seeing the iron master at Ramjo first time. So he was not aware of even his name, but his mind told him that if the fine gentleman thought that he was a known person, so here he might give him a couple of you can say that money to him, and therefore he decided not to deny the fact here. So yes, God knows things had gone downhill with me, he said. So वो क्या कहता है? Yes, I know the things have gone downhill with me, because यहाँ पर वो कह रहा है कि he told him that his condition was like that because of his luck and had really got very bad. So you should not have resigned from the regiment, said the iron master. So iron master क्या कहता? The iron master told him that he should have continued his service here. So this was the mistake. If only I had still been in the service at the time, it never would have happened. Known of course, well known of course. Well, now of course you will come home with me to along up to the manor house and be received by the owner like an old regimental comrade. That, however, did not please the tramp. So here, both the iron master and that peddler were talking to each other and leaving service. So when iron master told him that he should have continued the service and all these things, then he gave reply to him that leaving his service was his mistake, and if he had been still in this kind of service, he would never have it happened here. So well, now he should go to his home with him. And the tramp was alarmed at the fact that he would be visiting a manor house and would be treated like an old regimental comrade here. So he answered that he did not want to come along with him. So वो उसको आंसर भी करता है, no, I could not think of it, and he said looking quite alarmed that I don't want to come with you. So read the next paragraph, students. Here he thought of Dirty Norm. Go up to the manor house would be like throwing himself voluntarily into the lion's den. He only wanted a chance to sleep here in the forge and then sneak away conspicuously as possible. The Iron Master assumed that he felt embarrassed because of his miserable clothing. Please don't think that I have such a fine home that you cannot show yourself there, he said. Elizabeth is dead, as you may already have heard. My boys are abroad, and there is no one at home except my oldest daughter, myself. We were just saying that it was too bad we didn't have any company for Christmas. Now come along with me and help us make the Christmas food disappear a little faster. So here, he was thinking of that dirty Nor, and if he went to that manor house, it was like throwing himself into this lion's den. So his only intention was to have night sleep here and to sneak away before anybody could notice him. So it occurred to the Iron Master that he was feeling embarrassed because he was ragged. So Iron Master को तो ऐसा लग रहा था कि उस वो जो है वो rag, he was like embarrassed because he was ragged, and that man was thinking something else. So I request you not to think that my house has more value than you for me. And he continued, Elizabeth. सो वो उसको मेंशन करते हैं कि डोंट थिंक कि आई हैव सच अ फाइन होम दैट यू कैन नॉट शो योर सेल्फ देयर. सो ही सेड एलिजाबेथ इज डेड. फिर वो कहता है एलिजाबेथ जो है वो एलिजाबेथ डाइड एंड विच यू माइट हैव हर्ड, जो कि तुमने सुना ही होगा. माई सन्स आर सेटल्ड इन अब्रॉड, मेरे बेटे अब्रॉड में सेटल्ड हैं. एंड देयर आर ओनली 2 मेम्बर्स इन आवर फैमिली, माई ओल्डेस्ट डॉटर एंड आई. सो मेरी फैमिली में केवल 2 ही लोग हैं, मेरी डॉटर एंड मी. So today we were discussing that it was too bad that no one was going to accompany us for Christmas. और तुम्हें ये जानकर अजीब लगेगा कि आज क्रिसमस के दिन हमें कोई अकम्पनी करने वाला नहीं है. Now you should come with me so that I will have a partner to help me make the Christmas food disappear a little faster. So वो उसे बोलता है कि ठीक है तुम आओ और मेरे पास कोई तो ऐसा होगा जो कि मेरा क्रिसमस फूड बनाने में मेरी हेल्प करेगा. So, but the stranger kept refusing his invitation and at last the Iron Master gave in. जो stranger होता है वो उसका proposal जो है वो accept नहीं करता. And it looks as though Captain Vaughan's tale preferred to stay with you tonight. Sturgeon Storm, he said to the master blacksmith and turned on his heel. So, what was going on there? But the stranger kept refusing that invitation, and at last, Iron Master that gave in that invitation. And on turning his heel, he told the master that blacksmith that perhaps Captain Vaughan's tale wanted to spend his night with him. And but he laughed to himself as he went away, and the blacksmith who knew him understood very well that he had not said his last words here. So students, so वो लोग आपस में जो है वो इस तरह बात कर रहे थे। एंड उस दिन जब उसे वो जो रैमजो मिले थे वो एक आयरन मैन था। एंड उस दिन वो अपने वहाँ पर जो ये कहते हैं आप गश्त लगाने के लिए आया, और उसने फटे कपड़े पहने थे और वो आवारा व्यक्ति दिख रहा था। सो उसने क्या समझा कि वो आर्मी की नौकरी छोड़ने वाला एक मैन था। एंड योर देयर इज अ मिसअंडरस्टैंडिंग वाज गोइंग ऑन, जो उनके बीच में चल रही थी। एंड जो अब ब्लैकस्मिथ है, ही टुक दैट मैन टू हिज पैलेस और हिज होम, एंड दैट मैन रिफ्यूज्ड हिज प्रपोजल। बट उसने अपने डॉटर और अपने बारे में बताया, और ये भी बताया सिमिलरली कि क्रिसमस पे नोबडी वॉज देयर टू अकम्पनी हिम। एंड उसकी बेटी का नाम क्या है? इडला। सो इडला विलमेसन उसकी बेटी का नाम है, ऐसा उसने उसे बताया। So it was not more than half an hour before they heard the sound of carriage wheels outside the fort, and a new guest came in, but this time it was not the iron master. He had sent his daughter, apparently hoping that she would have better powers of persuasion than he himself. So उसने क्या करा था? अपनी बेटी, जो उसकी बेटी है, so she entered followed by a valet carrying on his arm a big fur coat. She was not at all pretty, but seemed modest and quite shy. In the forge, everything was just as it had been earlier in the evening. The master blacksmith and his apprentice still sat on their bench, and iron charcoal still glowed in furnace. The stranger had, move on to next page, student. The stranger has stretched himself out of the floor and lay with a piece of big iron under his head and his hat pulled down over his eyes. As soon as the young girl caught sight of him, she went up and lifted his hat. The man was evidently used to sleeping with one eye open. He jumped up abruptly and seemed to be quite frightened here. So, the following morning, when the Iron Master and his daughter left their bed in the on that following day, when that man was there. So both of them were like, you can say that both of them were like talking to each other about that Christmas and food and all those things. So suddenly what happened over there, that but while leaving he was laughing to himself, and blacksmith, who was very well aware of the nature and had understood that his master did not mean that. And hardly half an hour had passed with the sound of carriage over there, and wheel fall on their ears, and out of the forge there appeared a new guest, और उस वक्त एक न्यू मेहमान आया, बट इट वॉज नॉट द आयरन मास्टर, बट वो आयरन मास्टर नहीं था. इट वॉज हिज डॉटर सेंड बाय हिम इन द होप दैट शी माइट सक्सीडेड टू परस्यू द मैन टू बी देयर गेस्ट फॉर द ईव फॉर क्रिसमस. और उनकी डॉटर को ये था कि ये मैन जो है उनकी क्रिसमस ईव का कोई गेस्ट है. एंड शी केम इन टू फॉर्ज एंड हर वेलेट फॉलोड हर. वो उस वक्त रूम में आई, एंड किस तरह कैरिंग हर अ बिग कोट, एंड शी डिड नॉट लुक मच ब्यूटिफुल, बट she was modest and shy. So here the Idla, the daughter of that iron master, that was not that blacksmith, sorry. So she was not looking too much beautiful and that, but she is modest and shy, and there was no chance occurred in the forge that master blacksmith was sitting on a bench with his helpers, charcoals, and iron was still glowing in the furnace. So the stranger had made himself comfortable on the floor and was laying with the piece of big pig iron under his head, and had pulled down his head. Man had a habit of sleeping with one eye open, and he raised immediately and was looking extremely afraid at that time, because the young girl told him that her name was Edla William Manson, and she had been told by her father that he preferred the forge to Manor House to stay, and she had come there to pursue him to come to their home, and she was very sorry to see him in such a condition here. So students, will continue the next part of our chapter in our next video, but आई वुड लाइक टू टेल यू सम दैट ऑन नेक्स्ट डे जब वो आयरन मैन जो होता है या ब्लैक स्मिथ जो होता है वो अपने मेहमान को साफ कपड़ों में या पूरी तरह ऐसे देखा तो उसे कुछ realize हुआ, and what he realized that there will just read in our next video. Till then, stay safe and thank you all.